This is a review of Wansview B7 2K 3 megapixels dual lens security camera. This is for outdoor. Here are some of the features. Let's open the box and see what we have. We have the quick start guide, sticker, guidance sticker. Here is the solar panel. This is USB-C. You are able to put this on the camera, or you can just screw it somewhere wherever the solar panel is getting the sun rays the most. Screw pad, USB-A to USB-C charging cable, screw pad for the solar panel, and this is the base. You can screw this on the wall. Let's check the camera. I like the camera design. This is 355 pan and 90 degrees tilt. Antennas, speaker, and here is the solar panel input. This area is for the SD card and reset area. When you screw this on the wall, press on the both sides and go ahead and put it there. And now it's okay. You can put the solar panel right there and screw it. I'm gonna install the camera outside and install the application and add the camera, then show you all the features. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Here is the turn on and off right there. At the same time, solar panel input. Now it's on. Here is the area for reset and SD card. Now it's calibrating, and we can go ahead and end the device. Let's go ahead and choose this option, and then I'm going to use Wi-Fi connection with the application. Let's continue. I chose the Wi-Fi from the device.
Wi-Fi is connected.
And then I connected to my home network 2.4G, and now
the pairing is successful. You can start using the camera now.
Now it is successful. Camera is ready right now. Let's see. That's 4x zoom and this is 1x. And here is the speaker, two-way audio talk. This is the intercom. Let's go ahead and choose how to speak. Hello. Yeah, it's working well. And there is alerts. If there's an alert, you're gonna see it right there. And you can replay in the past. And let's see the PTZ option. Alright, there is default position right here. And lights. It's right there. And siren. Talk modes. Hold to talk, tap to talk, camera on. When we go to settings, you can share the device, advanced settings, privacy, motion detection, and performance mode, detection distance, and motion sensitivity, and other settings, light and night vision, motion alert, network, device management. Let's go back. Let me go ahead and put it outside and see how it's working. Let's go ahead and put it right over here. And that's it. Let's check the quality. I'm right over there. Okay, this is the widescreen. Let's check it out. If you want to use 4x zoom, let's go ahead and try it. And now 4x zoom. And you can check the PTZ. Right there, 1x. You see, this is very wide. It's working perfectly. Telephoto lens is activated. This is the white one. Let's use 4x again. Let's see. How about this? I can see what's going on iPad. And we're gonna go ahead and check it out during the nighttime. This was the daytime. Let's see. Now it's a nighttime. I am right here. You see. Let's do 4x. Hello. And wide view. This is wide view. Let's turn off the lights. The light is right there. Turn it off. And here is the night vision. Auto infrared mode. Full color night vision. All of mode. This is awesome. Let's make it full screen. The quality is good. And also wide view angle. I am very far away right now. Camera is right there. I can definitely suggest this product just because it has night vision mode and there is wide angle and regular angle camera lenses. There is wide angle and regular camera lenses. It's right there. And this is also 2K and it has solar panel. You don't have to use wired connection for the internet also. And there is two-way audio talk. And here is the speaker. You can hear whoever is in front of the camera. You can take a picture and record a video. When we check the settings right there, okay, there's local video, local photo, and third-party voice assistant, Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Icon security, 4G IoT card, continues like that. Let's go back. Here is the area. Here is the camera.